Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 13 or newer for reliable AirPlay support. Check that your smart TV supports AirPlay 2 or has an Apple TV dongle connected. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network with a strong signal and less than 50 milliseconds latency. Open Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner on modern iPhones. Tap Screen Mirroring and then select your TV name shown in the list. If prompted, enter the 4-digit code shown on your TV screen to start mirroring. For a stable picture, choose a wired HDMI connection using an adapter. If you have a Lightning iPhone, use a Lightning to HDMI adapter and a standard HDMI cable. If your iPhone uses USB-C, use a USB-C to HDMI adapter to enable higher resolutions. Plug the adapter into your phone, then connect the HDMI cable to the TV and the adapter. Set the TV input to the matching HDMI port to display your iPhone screen immediately. Wired connections often reduce lag and support power pass-through while mirroring. If mirroring fails, restart your iPhone, smart TV, and Wi-Fi router first. Confirm both devices are on the same 2, 4 GHz or 5 GHz network and not using guest isolation. Disable Bluetooth briefly and then re-enable Wi-Fi to clear networking conflicts that cause dropouts. Update your iPhone to the latest iOS and install available smart TV firmware updates for compatibility fixes. For AirPlay lag, reduce network load by closing background downloads and streaming at 1080p instead of 4K. If problems persist, try a wired HDMI adapter as a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.